Viewers all over the world, as you already know my name, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu Oraifite. I'm an ancient high priest. Bụrụ onye isi nchụaja ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Bụrụkwazị onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Today, as it pleases Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, I'm here to give you a message for the new year. This year is 2026. It's actually the year of cosmic turning point. Meaning the year of cosmic turning point of great joy and abundance. Meaning there will be great joy and in abundance of goodies of life. So the children of Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, to the called ones, and to those that will present themselves to be called. Meaning in the layman language, that if you are a child of Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, there must be a thing of joy happening in your life this year. And there must be abundance of goodies of life in your life this year. To explain it so that even a layman will understand what I'm saying, meaning that whatever you achieved last year, 2025, for those selected children of God, children of Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, and these people I'm talking about, the way it's shown in the cosmic turning point is that whatever you achieved last year, that this year 2026 will be doubled, because it's already there in the cosmic turning point, that this year will be a year of joy and abundance for the people of Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile. Understand that whenever the cosmic turning points used to turn 360 every year, year in, year out. Every year has its own potential. It's left for you to key in. Meaning, my advice is that admonition, that if you are doing good, keep doing good, keep doing nice, keep doing what is expected of you. Your hard work will materialize this year. Of course, not everybody will believe. That is why this message is for people of Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile. Whenever the message is given, is for those that will key in into the atmosphere of this cosmic turning point. N'aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, onye ike niile si n'aka ya bịa, I pray that goodness of life and joy of cosmic turning point will meet you as it has been predicted in creation, now and forevermore. Like I said, wish you the best in this year of cosmic turning points of joy and abundance. Thank you. Remain blessed.